It may be necessary at times to remove a Sheet C definition DGN from the DGN library. For example, in our profile, there was a couple of parts that were not correct intentionally so that we can show how to remove and recreate, and that's what we'll take a look at here.
As mentioned prior, I made a mistake on my vertical exaggeration, and I forgot to include my annotation group. So can I redo this? The answer is yes. If I go to my name boundaries, I'm going to delete that name boundary entry. So we'll select yes, and it also removes the save views, which is important. And then we need to also delete our models that it created that are associated with that. So we'll go to our models, and I'm going to select my drawing model and my sheet model. Make sure you get both of them and delete those. At this point, I typically like to do a save settings and compress design.
Now let's take a look at recreating our profile sheet C definition within our DGN library with the proper settings.
So we're going to go back to our place name boundary tool in our profiles. Make sure we get our vertical exaggeration to the right value this time. If you need to make any other adjustments, go ahead and create those adjustments. Maybe we change our elevation datum spacing. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you get it right. Pick our start location. We'll lock that to the beginning for this first one. And then we can put in our name again. Don't forget to put your name in. So we'll accept that. Takes us over to our create drawing dialog. We'll update our names here. Again, I'm just using copy and paste here. Make sure your detail scale is they're correct, which is going to be 1 inch is 50 feet in this example. Set our scales there, and remember to get our annotation group. Everything looks good. Set your discipline, civil, elevation view. Select OK. Create our sheet model again for us. We'll go ahead and drag over our handle. Pop open our references. I'll place our title block first for our profile again. Let's do that. Then we can open up our references. Don't forget to turn off your custom line style setting. We're going to move that to the proper location. Snap our corners. We switch back over to our default multi-model mode. Do save settings, compress the file.